Berries are big business in the United States. They are not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a significant contributor to the economy. We're talking billions of dollars worth, folks. The berry industry is a powerhouse, driving local economies and providing jobs for thousands. From coast to coast, farmers are growing mountains of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and more. Each region has its specialty, contributing to a diverse berry bounty. California is king when it comes to strawberries. The Golden State produces nearly 90% of the nation's strawberries, thanks to its ideal climate and fertile soil. Florida and Georgia, blueberry country. These states are known for their plump, juicy blueberries. Washington State, raspberry heaven, producing some of the finest raspberries you'll ever taste. These little fruits are packed with flavor and good for you. They're rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a healthy choice for any diet. No wonder Americans can't get enough. From breakfast bowls to desserts, berries are a staple in many households. But growing all those berries? That's a tough job. It requires dedication, hard work, and a lot of patience. And harvesting them? That's even tougher. Each berry must be picked at just the right time to ensure peak ripeness and flavor. Think about it. Berries are delicate. They bruise easily. Handling them with care is crucial to maintain their quality. And they ripen at different times. This means farmers have to constantly monitor their fields to pick the berries at the perfect moment. That means picking them by hand, one by one. Talk about tedious. It's a meticulous process that requires a skilled workforce. It's slow, it's labor-intensive, and it's expensive. The cost of labor and the time required to harvest can be significant. But farmers are finding new ways to get the job done. They're turning to technology. Innovations in farming equipment are helping to ease the burden. And that's changing the game for berry farming in a big way. With advanced machinery and technology, farmers can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure that we all get to enjoy these delicious fruits year-round. For years, harvesting berries meant relying on human hands. Lots of them. The process is labor-intensive and requires a significant amount of manpower to ensure that the berries are picked at their peak ripeness. Workers would spend hours bent over, carefully plucking ripe berries from the plants. Each berry must be handled with care to avoid bruising, which can affect their market value. It's back-breaking work. The physical toll on the workers is immense, often leading to fatigue and long-term health issues. And it's not easy to find people willing to do it. The work is seasonal, which means workers often have to migrate from place to place following the harvest. It can be hot and demanding. The sun beats down on the fields, making the conditions even more challenging. And let's face it, it's not the most glamorous job. The work is dirty, and the hours are long, often starting before dawn and ending after dusk. That shortage of labor, it's a huge problem for farmers. Without enough hands to pick the berries, many crops are left to rot in the fields, especially when you consider that berries need to be picked at just the right time. Timing is crucial to ensure the best quality and flavor. Miss the window and the whole crop can go to waste. Overripe berries are not only unsellable but can also attract pests and diseases. Traditional harvesting methods are also tough on the plants. The constant handling and movement can cause significant damage. Too much handling can damage them, reducing future yields. This damage can affect the plant's ability to produce berries in subsequent seasons. And all those workers in the fields, they contribute to soil compaction. They leave a footprint too. Literally, the constant trampling of the soil by workers can lead to compaction. Soil compaction can harm plant health and make it harder for them to thrive. Compacted soil restricts root growth and reduces the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients, which are essential for healthy plant development. Enter the robots. Okay, maybe not the kind you see in the movies, but these high-tech helpers are changing the way berries are harvested. Think of them as specialized farm equipment, designed to pick berries gently and efficiently. Some robots use cameras and sensors to identify ripe berries. Then they use delicate grippers or suction to pluck them from the plant without causing damage. No bruised berries here. These machines can work around the clock too. No need for breaks or sleep. That means farmers can harvest their crops faster, reducing waste and getting those fresh berries to market quicker. While robotic harvesters are still being perfected, they hold massive potential. They could be the answer to labor shortages, reducing costs and improving efficiency in berry farming. Drones aren't just for delivering packages anymore. They're becoming essential tools on berry farms too. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, drones can provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their fields. Think of it like a health checkup for the plants. Drones can identify areas where plants are stressed, detect disease or pests early on, and even assess irrigation needs. This kind of information allows farmers to target their resources more effectively. Instead of treating an entire field, they can focus on specific areas that need attention. That means less waste and a healthier crop overall. Drones can even help with planting. Some are equipped to disperse seeds or apply fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy. Talk about precision farming. Section 5. Smart watering, giving plants what they need. Water is precious, especially on a farm, and berry plants are thirsty, but overwatering can be just as bad as underwatering. That's where precision irrigation comes in. Forget about those old-school sprinklers that water everything in sight. Precision irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots of the plants, exactly when and where it's needed. Sensors in the field monitor soil moisture levels, temperature, and even weather conditions. This data is then used to adjust irrigation schedules, ensuring that plants get the perfect amount of water. The result? Healthier plants, higher yields, and less water waste. That's good for the environment and good for business. Section 6. Green is good, keeping berry farms healthy. Sustainability is more than just a buzzword in the agriculture industry. It's about protecting the land and resources for future generations. And berry farmers are taking it seriously. One way they're doing this is by reducing pesticide use. Integrated pest management techniques rely on natural predators like ladybugs to control pests instead of harmful chemicals. Cover crops are another tool in the sustainability toolbox. Planted between rows of berry plants, cover crops help prevent soil erosion, improve soil health, and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. These practices not only benefit the environment, but they also result in higher quality berries, and that's something consumers can feel good about. Section 7. The future is fresh berries tomorrow. So what's next for the berry industry? Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get even more high-tech. Imagine vertical farms where berries are grown in climate-controlled towers, stacked high above the ground. These futuristic farms could revolutionize food production, especially in urban areas. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a bigger role too. Imagine algorithms that can predict harvests, optimize irrigation schedules, and even personalize berry varieties based on consumer preferences. The future of berry farming is all about innovation, efficiency, and sustainability, and that means delicious, nutritious berries for everyone. Section 8. Tech to the rescue, feeding the world, berry by berry. In this chapter we explore the incredible journey of how technology is revolutionizing berry farming, making it more efficient and sustainable. We've come a long way from picking berries by hand. In the early days, berry farming was labor-intensive, requiring countless hours of manual labor. The technology being used in berry farming today is nothing short of amazing. Automated picking machines and high-tech sorting equipment have transformed the industry, increasing productivity and reducing the need for manual labor. And it's not just about making things easier for farmers. These advancements are also about precision and efficiency, ensuring that every berry is picked at the perfect time and handled with care. These advancements are helping to ensure a steady supply of fresh, affordable berries for a growing population. With the global population on the rise, the demand for nutritious food is higher than ever. And that's important because berries are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. They play a crucial role in a healthy diet, offering numerous health benefits. By embracing technology, berry farmers are not only feeding the world, they're helping to make it a healthier place. With the use of smartphones, tablets, and drones, farmers can monitor their crops in real time, ensuring optimal growth conditions, and that's something we can all get behind. Community events and family outings to berry farms are becoming more popular, connecting people with the source of their food. So, next time you enjoy a handful of fresh berries, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and ingenuity that went into getting them from the farm to your table. It's a journey that involves dedication, innovation, and a commitment to quality. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. The hands-on work of farmers, combined with cutting-edge technology, ensures that we can enjoy fresh berries year-round. And thanks to technology, that somebody might just be a robot. As we look to the future, the role of automation in agriculture will only continue to grow, promising even greater efficiency and sustainability in berry farming.